Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking power and accessibility. Make sure the iPhone has at least 10% battery or is plugged in. Once ready, position your hand so you can press the volume up, then volume down, and finally the side button in quick succession. You do this because the sequence signals the device to interrupt normal shutdown. Keep your presses deliberate and quick, and prepare to follow immediately with the final, sustained press. Do not hesitate when moving between buttons. You press volume up briefly, then volume down briefly. These two quick taps prime the system. Next, hold the side button and keep holding, do not release, until the screen goes black and then shows the Apple logo. This hold forces the kernel to restart, clearing transient faults. If you accidentally trigger emergency SOS, release immediately and wait a few seconds, because the phone needs a short recovery pause before you attempt the sequence again with calm. Measured timing. You should wait until the home screen or lock screen reappears, then unlock with Face ID or your passcode. Verify apps and settings function normally. If the phone remains frozen or loops, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to try recovery mode. Make sure you have backups before performing restores. If recovery mode fails, your next step is to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service, because persistent failures may indicate hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.